We get asked all the time, how do I get fingerprints off the planter? Because inevitably we have our, you're installing your planters on the job, there's dirt, you have plants, and it just can become a real mess. And then you're wanting to just clean this off. What's really, really simple, just make sure that you have some sandpaper available. This is a 220 grit fine sandpaper. You can find it at any local hardware store. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna sand where the dirt is, where the stains are. And even if this is wet, it'll still clean it up, and it doesn't compromise the integrity of the planter whatsoever. So anytime there's any dirt, any stains, anything like that, you can just clean it up with the sandpaper, and it's good as new.